Things you should never do after cataract surgery. I'll show you 5 things. 5 behaviors to avoid at all costs after cataract surgery, which is the technical term we use for this procedure. Before we start, tell me which part of Brazil or the world you're watching from. I'm in Rio de Janeiro, the capital of Rio de Janeiro state in Brazil, and I don't have cataracts. Why? I'm still too young to have cataracts. And you, where are you? Also tell me if you have cataracts, if you've had surgery, and how you're doing with it. So write in the chat or comments because I want to get to know you better. Your risk of problems will increase if you don't follow the 5 steps I'll show you soon, okay? All right, folks, let's get started. If you haven't commented yet, tell me if you have cataracts, had surgery, and how recovery went. But Dr. João, what are the 5 tips to avoid post-op complications? And the 5th tip, folks, is the most important one. If you leave here with the 5th tip firmly in your mind and heart, I'll consider this video's mission accomplished. So let's get started. First, you absolutely cannot rub your eyes. I know rubbing feels good and many can't resist, but after cataract surgery, it's a big no-no. Dirty hands can introduce bacteria and foreign objects into your healing eye, causing serious problems. Rubbing can reopen the incision, leading to fluid leakage and other issues. So remember, no eye rubbing after cataract surgery. Second, use the prescribed eye drops correctly. Usually 2 types are prescribed, containing antibiotics, anti-inflammatories, and steroids. The antibiotic prescription varies by doctor and hospital, but it's typically prescribed for 5 to 7 days as a preventive measure to prevent an infection in the eye. Corticosteroids are prescribed for 20 to 30 days, but again, this varies by doctor and hospital, okay? If the doctor tells you to use eye drops 3 times a day or to use them every half hour, follow their instructions exactly, as this will greatly reduce your risk of post-operative complications. So, it's crucial to follow the guidance precisely. The 3rd step you should take is to avoid physical exertion. This means no sweeping, no lifting heavy objects, no going to the gym, and no running for extended periods. Avoid physical exertion as it increases eye pressure, which can cause iris herniation or open the incision. So folks, rest for the time your doctor recommends, okay? The 4th step is attending post-op appointments. These are typically on day 1, day 7, and day 30 after surgery. So that's D1, D7, and D. You must not miss these appointments. You have to go, as it's a chance for the doctor to check if anything's wrong, if new medication is needed, or if changes are required. So don't skip your post-operative appointments. And the 5th step, as I said, the most important. But first, I'd like to ask you to subscribe to our channel if you're not already subscribed, or if you're new here today. If you've been watching me for a while, please subscribe below to our channel and join the Dr. João channel family. Also, hit that notification bell to be the first to get the best health info and catch us live, alright? Our 5th step is this. If you notice any symptoms, like eye pain, redness in your eye, or worsening vision after cataract surgery, you need to seek emergency care right away because these symptoms could indicate endophthalmitis, a serious complication that can be life-threatening. When treated promptly, the prognosis is much better, though you may need additional treatments like antibiotics injected into the eye or another surgery, but the outlook will be good. However, if endophthalmitis is left untreated, if you ignore a red painful eye with vision loss or any post-op eye discomfort, you need to seek emergency care. All right, folks? So let's recap the 5 steps you should take. The 5 precautions to avoid and prevent complications after cataract surgery. Remember, folks, this won't reduce the chance by 100%. There's no 100% in medicine. The only 100% certainty is that we'll all die someday, period. Now, this will greatly reduce your risk of complications. To recap, don't rub your eyes, use eye drops correctly, avoid physical exertion, attend follow-up appointments, and seek emergency care right away if you have any troubling eye symptoms, okay? If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Oh, I don't like when Dr. João asks for likes. It seems annoying, like he's begging for likes. Look, if you don't want to like it, then don't. If you're the type who doesn't like giving likes when asked, that's okay. If that's you, I'd rather you not like the video at all. Feel free to dislike it instead if you prefer. Why do I ask for likes? Because likes tell YouTube the content is valuable, so it shares it more. I emphasize liking because I believe this info is important and should reach more people. That's why I ask for your like. It's not about making money from likes. It's not for personal view counts either. Those are side effects. The main goal is to reach more people with this video. Look at how many people we can help by giving them information on what to do and what not to do after cataract surgery. That's why I'm asking for your like, just for that reason. If you don't want to help anyone or think the video was terrible, don't like it. But if you want others to learn this info, please leave a like. It costs you nothing at all. That's what I wanted to say. Now, if you have diabetes or high blood pressure, if you have high cholesterol, if you're overweight, if you want to eat better, if you want to exercise more, if you want to live better with more energy, read my book, The Longevity Code, 100 Habits to Live 200 Years. So click the first link in the description to get your longevity code now.